Hello everybody, in this video I would show you how to set up your business or organization in Financials Unlimited. Once you register with Financial Unlimited, you would receive an email from Financials Unlimited having your username and password. Once you receive that email, you need to save that email so that you don't forget your username or password. You can change your password later on as well as per your own requirement. Now, once you receive the email within password and username, you need to click login. Then over here in username, you need to give your username, then need to type password and then click enter. When first time you would see this screen, this is the setup guide, and you need to, before you go to next step, you need to read all of these instructions. Once you understand all of these instructions, you can click next. Now, this is the display name of your organization. Whatever display name you want to appear on the screen of Financial Unlimited, you need to put over here. For instance, I am gonna give BEP, and if the legal name is BEP LLC, and if it is company, is partnership, one person is a sole trader. Okay, I'm gonna click sole trader. You can put all the contact person of this company. If the mailing address is same, you can click this save button. You can do it. These are not necessary. You can do it later on as well. Just click next. Okay, if you want to put logo on your receipt, on your reports, or on your invoices, you need to upload the logo. I'm gonna upload the logo. Open. You need to click the okay. Now your logo is uploaded. If you want to show your logo on left side of your receipt, you can click this one. If you want to show both sides, then you can click this one. If you want to show this only on right side of your receipt, then you can click this one. Okay, next. Now you need to give the starting date of your financial period. If I'm gonna give the 1st January, and the financial period is 12 months. This is the income tax information, tax ID, display name of your tax. If you paid annually tax, then you need to click annual. This is the important thing. If you by default the system brings accrual basis, the accounting method it brings it uses the accrual basis. This is the default accounting method of the system. But if you want to change to this cash basis, if you can see here the warning, it says please make sure your accounting method is selected correctly, because once you select your accounting method, you cannot change or edit it later on. Okay, we don't want cash basis, we want to move with accrual basis. Again, it would want, okay, I do understand it. You need to give your, if you want to put your tax number, you can do tax name. If it's sale tax, you can put sale tax, VAT. If it's VAT or whatever name you want to put, you can put over here. If you pay sale tax annually, you can choose annual. If you pay for 1 month on monthly basis, you need to choose 1 month. I'm gonna choose annual. I pay tax. This is the log date period. Whatever, if you want that you cannot make changes before this date, then you need to select the log date. I'm not gonna select for the time being, because I haven't set up any transaction in this. This is the time zone, where whatever the time zone you are living in, you can Pacific time, USA, Canada. Okay, next. Click next. Over here, you can see there's a main default username B9, which is the username for the original person who registered with Financial Unlimited. But if that person want some other person to access his or her system, then he can give access as well. For instance, if I'm gonna give access, and I'm gonna give the username. I'm gonna give the username 5B9ALI. Okay. Now if you want to give the access as a head office, you can click head office. If you want, you can do it later on as well. That is why I'm gonna I don't want to waste time over here. We can skip this, but you can later on give as many users access to this system as you want. Next. Now this is the very important step. You need to select the currency. If whatever currency, if your business is using in more than one currency, then the first currency which you would choose would be default currency. And once you choose the default currency, you cannot edit or change later on. For instance, I'm gonna add the United States dollars. I click add. See, the system give you a warning. Our system would consider your first currency as your default currency. Are you sure this is your default currency? Because once you select your default currency, you cannot change or edit it. Okay, this is my default currency, and I want to add this. The system has added, and see under option there is no option of add or edit, because system has created USD as its default currency. And if I also conduct business in Canadian dollar, I can add it. Canadian dollar over here. See, Canadian dollar is added, and you can see after Canadian dollar under the options, you can see the button of delete. You can delete it if you want. I just deleted it, and then again, but I can't delete or edit this US. Okay. Currently, I just want to use one currency in my system because I just deal with. Now I'm gonna move to next step. Okay, this is very important step, because the whole structure stands on your chart of accounts. You need to set up your chart of account, and if you don't have any chart of accounts, you can use a pre-built chart of accounts of our system. If your business is small, then you can click the small chart of account for small business, click create button, and you would see the system would automatically create chart of account for a small business, which you can later on edit. You can bring more accounts in it if you want, but I don't want the chart of account to be set up. I just want to remove this. I have already created chart of account in Excel. I would later on import to in my system. I would show you later on. I'm gonna click next as an empty. Okay, now we have done our initial setup of our organization in Financial Unlimited. Just click finish, and then we would be ready to start using Financial Unlimited. Hopefully this video has helped you to set up your organization in Financial Unlimited. Thank you.